In the digital age, car shopping has parked itself right in the buyer's living room, and Easy360 is the valet. This all-in-one solution is not just a leap, but a quantum jump for dealership photo studios and software, merging AI, automation, and 4K ultra-high-definition photography to revolutionize the auto shopping experience. Imagine showcasing your vehicles in a detail that's 27 times sharper than the average dealership photo. With Easy360, your customers can virtually touch and feel every curve and texture of a car, as if they were walking around it in your showroom. But it's not just about the quality, it's about the consistency and speed. Easy360's fixed cameras and motorized turntables ensure every photo is showroom ready, rain or shine, big or small. And with the ability to produce a complete vehicle spin, an interior 360 view in under 10 minutes, it's like having a photo factory at your fingertips. The moment a photo is taken, it's already gracing your online showroom, ready to catch the eye of your next customer. Easy360 is like a digital transporter, beaming your vehicles directly into the shopper's space, making an engaging virtual showroom not just a luxury, but a necessity for the modern dealership. Ready to drive your dealership into the future? Connect with Easy360 and steer towards a seamless digital transformation.